series. This is the Chip and Kipper stories, ORT, written by Roderick Hunt and illustrated by Alex Brichter, that provide a rich story context to help develop language comprehension and decoding skills. Stories, more stories, A and B. More stories build on reading skills from stage 2 that are slightly longer now. On stage 3, I hope you liked it. As you know, this is the title page and the name of the story is The Rope Swing. We can see a rope, we can see 4 children, we can see a park, we can see Floppy with his tongue out and he's screaming, and we can see a tire, and a tire is hung with a rope, and the children are holding the rope. Wilf is holding the rope and all of them are holding at each other. We can see Wilma with black hair, red shirt and yellow pants and white trainers. We can see Chip with red shirt, and we can see Wolf with yellow shirt, and we can see Biff with an orange shirt and blue jeans and white trainers, and all of them are on the swing. We can see a stream flowing down a park, and the name of the reader is The Rope Swing. So let's see what is this all about. Let's turn the page and we can see that the children went to the stream. All of them, we can see them on the bridge, and we can see some water down a stream, and you can see Floppy in the water. We can see some houses behind a big trunk of a tree, and the first boy is Chip with red shirt, white sleeves, blue jeans and white trainers. Then comes Wilma with orange shirt, yellow pants in white trainers, black hair, and then comes Wilf with yellow shirt and blue jeans, white trainers. We can see that on the big trunk of a tree there is a rope and a tire is hanging, which is used as a swing, and we can see Kipper. Following Kipper is wearing red and white shirt, green pants and white trainers, and after him the last girl is Biff, who's wearing an orange shirt, blue jeans and white trainers, and all of them are moving on the bridge. You can see that is on the stream. The children went to the stream. Let's turn the page again. Now we can see they looked at the swing. They looked at the swing. Kipper is pointing at Wolf, who is trying to climb on the tire that is hung with a rope on the trunk of a tree, and Wolf is trying to climb it. Wolf climbed on the swing. Floppy is watching him, and so the rest of the children. Let's turn the page again. We can see a stream down. Biff climbed on the swing. Now you can see 2 children on the swing. Floppy barked and barked. He's looking at the rope, and Kipper is enjoying, and Chip is also enjoying, and Velma is also saying, hey, it's having fun, you're having fun. So all of them are having fun. Now again Kipper went on the swing. 3 children on the swing. What a silly dog, said Kipper as he was hiding his eyes, and he's saying, oh my god, 3 children on the swing. So he was scared like. Now let's see what happens on the next page. We can see all of them went on the swing. 4 children on the swing. So we can see a stream flowing down, and Floppy has closed his eyes with his legs and see, oh my god, 4 children on the swing. What a silly dog, said Wilma. Oh, we can see that the tire is down and all of them have gone in the stream. They fell down because the rope came down, and all of them fell down. So that is the end of the story, The Rope Swing. Hope you like it.